Hi, everyone. Do you want to make new friends?
Today, we will learn how to make new friends in English.
It is easy and fun. Let's start. Hello, Henry. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am very happy. I feel excited today.
Excited? Why?
Because today we will talk about making new friends in English.
Oh, that is very important. Many people want new friends.
Yes, Henry, making friends is fun and helps us practice English.
Right. Practice English with friends is very good.
Today I will show you simple ways to meet new people and talk to them.
Perfect. Let's start with greetings.
The first step is saying hello.
Hello is the first word to say to a new friend.
Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Very good.
You can also say hi.
Hi is shorter than hello. It is friendly.
Repeat. Hi.
Hi. After saying hello or hi, you can ask, what is your name?
Yes, this is very important. Knowing the name of a person is the first step to friendship.
Repeat. What is your name?
What is your name?
When someone asks you this, you say, my name is Emma.
My name is Henry.
Good.
Let's practice. I say first. Hello. What is your name?
Hello. My name is Emma. What is your name?
My name is Henry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you is a polite way to greet someone.
Yes. It shows you are happy to meet a new friend.
Repeat. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Another question you can ask is, where are you from?
This helps you know more about your new friend.
Repeat. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
If someone asks you this, you answer, I am from Pakistan.
I am from England.
Very good.
You can also ask, do you live here?
This is a simple way to start a conversation.
Repeat. Do you live here?
Do you live here? If they say yes, you can say, that's nice. I live here too.
If they say no, you can say, oh, I see. Where do you live?
Repeat. Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Talking about hobbies is also important.
Hobbies are activities you like to do.
Repeat hobbies, Hobbies, hobbies.
Hobbies.
You can ask, what do you like to do?
This is an easy question.
Repeat. What do you like to do?
What do you like to do?
If your friend likes football, you can say, I like football too.
If your friend likes reading, you can say, reading is fun.
Repeat. I like football too.
I like football too. Another way to make friends is giving a compliment.
Compliments are nice words about someone.
Repeat compliment. Compliment. Compliment.
Compliment. For example, you can say, I like your bag.
Or, you have a nice smile.
These words make people happy.
Repeat. I like your bag.
I like your bag. After talking, you can suggest, do you want to sit with me?
Or, do you want to have coffee?
Repeat. Do you want to sit with me?
Do you want to sit with me?
Always listen to your new friend.
Listening is very important.
Repeat. Listen. Listen. Listen.
Listen.
Ask questions to know more. What is your favorite food?
What music do you like?
Repeat. What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
Talking about school or work is good too.
You can ask, where do you study?
Or, where do you work?
Repeat. Where do you study?
Where do you study? Always smile when you talk.
Smiling makes people friendly.
Repeat. Smile. Smile. Smile.
Smile. Let's practice a full short conversation.
Great idea.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Emma. What is your name?
My name is Henry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan. And you?
I am from England. Do you live here?
Yes, I live here. And you?
I live here too.
What do you like to do?
I like football. And you?
I like reading. Football is fun.
Yes, football's fun.
Do you want to sit with me?
Yes, let's sit together.
This is a simple conversation to make friends.
Repeat it again and again. It will be easy.
Another tip is to join groups.
Groups are people with same interests.
Repeat group. Group. Group.
Group.
You can join a sports group, a reading group, or a music group.
Groups help you meet many people.
Repeat. Meet people.
Meet people.
Also, be polite. Say, please and thank you.
Polite words make friends happy.
Repeat. Please, thank you.
Please. Thank you.
Invite your new friend for small activities.
Like, Do you want to play football?
Or, do you want to read a book together?
Repeat. Do you want to play football?
Do you want to play football? Share your ideas and listen to their ideas.
Sharing is important in friendship.
Repeat, sharing, sharing, sharing.
Sharing.
If your friend is sad, say, "Are you okay?"
Or can I help you?
Repeat, "Are you okay?"
Are you okay?
Remember, friendship needs time.
You cannot be best friends in one day.
Repeat, best friends.
Best friends.
Be yourself. Don't try to act like someone else.
Being real makes strong friendship.
Repeat, be yourself.
Be yourself. Let's practice another short conversation.
Hi, I am Emma. What is your name?
Hello, I am Henry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from England. And you?
I am from Pakistan. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music very much. And you?
I like music too. What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Oh, pop music is fun.
Yes, it is fun. Do you want to listen to music together?
Yes, let's listen together. Notice the words we repeat. Nice to meet you. Do you like? Let's.
Repeat these words many times. They are very useful.
Another tip is asking about family.
You can ask, do you have brothers or sisters?
Repeat. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Or, how old are you?
Age is sometimes good to know.
Repeat. How old are you?
How old are you?
Talking about your city is good.
Do you like this city?
What is your favorite place here?
Repeat. What is your favorite place here?
What is your favorite place here? You can also talk about food.
Everyone likes food.
Ask, what is your favorite food?
Do you like pizza?
Repeat. Do you like pizza?
Do you like pizza?
Small talk is important.
Small talk is simple conversation.
Repeat, small talk. SMALLTALK, small talk.
Small talk.
Ask about weather. Is it hot today?
Do you like sunny days?
Repeat. Do you like sunny days?
Do you like sunny days?
Ask about weekend. What do you do on weekends?
Do you like to go to park?
Repeat. What do you do on weekends?
What do you do on weekends?
Always be positive. Say nice things.
Avoid saying negative words.
Repeat. Positive. POSITIVE. Positive.
Positive.
Be patient. Friendship grows slowly.
Repeat. Patience. PATIENCE. Patience.
Patience. Use English every day. Practice with new friends.
More practice, more confidence, and
Repeat. Practice every day.
practice every day.
Remember, everyone can make friends.
You just need to try.
Repeat. Try. TRY. Try.
Try.
Let's have a final full conversation example.
Hi, I'm Henry. What is your name?
Hello, I am Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan. And you?
I am from England. Do you live here?
Yes, I live here. And you?
I live here too. What do you like to do?
I like reading books. And you?
I like football. Do you like football?
Yes, football is fun. Do you want to play together?
Yes, let's play football.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. And you?
I have one sister.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music very much.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Pop music is fun. Do you want to listen together?
Yes, let's listen together. This is how you can make new friends in English.
Repeat the conversations again and again. It will help a lot.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Remember, be friendly, polite, and positive.
Practice every day, talk to new people.
Now it is your turn. Go and make new friends.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mastery in English.
Like this video and comment below.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.